Hi friend, hope you having amazing day. It's Milan once again back to channel. So today I was back with my vlog, and few days back I was car accident. Right now I was recovered, and today I'm just having a small party with my siblings. Yeah, keep on watching guys. Right now I'm gonna ask to few questions to Mohan. How do you feel today picnic?
I am better.
Go.
I am Swara Kajet.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है
Kude. Aste. Kude dible.
Ang tabo hakur kuru. Apa? Excellent.
Ready, start. Oh, salah. Oh, aste. Picnic. Nanti. Oh, Hongsa tulai. Pergi. Hei, pada. Pakai mana lagi benar? Sampai dia. Nunggu, kan? Radi tulai. Dorban ready. Ready dorban ready. Jungle peacock, jungle hen. We're gonna cut right now. Yeah, check it out.
On this.
Dorban rana tama. She'll going to cut.
Dorban jawa hanna sibi mahana chili.
Mohan, present certainly. Ready. Hey, right play hard already. Needs to cut right now. Already needs to cut. Jungle hen. In local language we call tamasat. Tamasat. And right now we're just plugging the parrot of the jungle hen. Yeah, this is the spotted area, picnic spotted, and that's his garden. Right there is the paddy field. Yeah. Got just plug out the parrot. Parrots. Ngelakan. Kumdi bukut. Village style cooking. This is the gardens right over there. Right now the plug out the parrot jungle hen. Here is Demon Mohan Ngelakan in. It's the hot water just boiling to plug out the weather. The parrot is almost to finish off. Come on,
Okay.
kiri. Come on.
Jaldi karo.
Kita semua deh.
Ini piano.
Kiri tamasat.
Tamasar bakhan, rato. Tamasar bakhan.
Mohon. Bolong itu. Menung deh nak pakai rumah.
Aku nak ni rusrai itu. Lalu terus kau nak lagi dada dari mana lagi itu? Kalau aku dari mana lagi ang lagi rumah ni lagi aku dari rumah. Ada yoga mahar aku dari rumah. Ada yoga yang saya dari rumah. Budak.
Beri kang lah.
Ang mo tangay block kan.
Now collecting the carrot. Today. Tawa hori to ni sati dua.
Tawa hori to. Hai guys, tawa lai mulai lai ani thang xuống. Dik.
Abde.
Apa sih ya? Memang aku. Dik. Gerak mulai. Ni ada.
Pretty. Jadi. Yes. Very good.
Dia mulai.
Try Fruity.
Oh, di. Mana?
Fruity ready.
Oh, kira.
It's the cucumber garden and pumpkin right over here. We're just plucking the cucumber right now. Just having cucumber. Ah, get three. Just finished to collect radish. This is a big radish right over here. Check it out, guys. Now we're gonna mix with the chicken and we're gonna have today delicious meal. Yeah. Here's this carrot from the garden. We have brought a cucumber. We're gonna eat right now. Come here, Hendrik. Just your what? Huh? Very tasty cucumber. Have it, have it. Terus mana? Ready? Hey, what's up? Mulai nih Sari.
Mulai.
Keep it.
Stop.
Tahu apa?
Mulai.
Sari,
Mulai
mulai.
TV ya.
Mulai.
Thôi. Nak asar makan.
Rice needs to cook already.
Ang capi pera dia ang coba.
Small intestine and this is leg piece, and we have here this is a piece of chicken, the flesh of chicken. cutting right now. Yeah. Finally, rice is done.
And picking
rice.
sunny.
Time for chicken. Preparing right now chicken.
Like this.
Chicken finally done. Here.
We can't look like.
Just now preparing chicken right now. Chicken. The fourth item. And right now we're collecting. This is the coriander from here. This is the coriander. This is the coriander. We are collecting coriander right now. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. This is the coriander. This is the coriander. Check it out. Yeah, coriander. This is the coriander we're collecting. Hey. Yeah, it's just finished to collect right now.
That was about how cyclone to Taba.
Idea. Sorry,
Why am I money black hot? They never mazaha. Kahaba mazaha.
Mohon disela tu mohon. Picnic site on mohon. Orang picnic. Picnic sana berapa?
Tidak.
How was the curry?
Hah?
How was the curry?
Makan.
Berai mui ini cuma ni kira.
Mangso.
Berai halai mui thok jahat ini cuma.
Yes.
Tak kau lagi.
It's good ndi.
Good.
How was the curry ini cuma mui berai lai thok jahat ini cuma ni kira. Tasty ni seriba. Henry lah supply dah.
Yes.
Sorry.
Delicious.
This is my plate. I'm going to have food right now. Have it. It's my plate. Test the food. Let's get ready.
Guys, I might supply that.
This pumpkin stand I'm gonna have right now. Yeah.
Sebenarnya kubuk tu.
Jangan lagi.
Yang hula dengan macam ni. Nure gang pa.
Yes.
Malah dengan gelap.
Honti. Doraemon. Ya perikatan. Itu sudah. Jangan tak.
Mai thok ra đây đó.
Mai thua ra.
Là mình lên.
Ra.
Nghe nó hơi cổ đi. Kem trên này kem tia. Nâng lên. Thok ra đây.
Mubang.
What is this? This one?
Juan. Juan.
Radish.
Yes, release.
And chicken here.
Lelis.
Have it. Rice. Thôi đấy. Ngà hết xoay từ đến. Bà. Giờ. Mai chụp lại đây kan? Berai hoa ini panah.
Thua, rất thua.
Thấu ra đời tao ta từ cho lên nhá.
Gahan tôi. Gari là mai rang.
Sadar lah. Ini mau tama?
Ya perikatan.
Kan, dari.
Kan?
Bas. Tata ready.
Tata.
Nâng.
Ta.
Berai orang
Sini video này thưa ra like, comment, share, subscribe kali di. Mai video to thua.
Very good.
Lang siap.
Ready. Dormon.
Anh đi vào thấu anh đi vào đó. Vừa là đi KTM sapi.
Thầy
Ang mahabos ya, like susun tadi.
tata kali. Like, share and comment dari Saruri.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
The party is in right now, so we're gonna move to the home right now. Yeah. So now we're gonna dance. We'll play music right now. Party is in right now. We'll move to the home. Sila di ba? Ahu, Nori. So finally the vlog is in right now. We're gonna move to the home. See you in the next vlogs. Thank you guys for watching the vlog.
Antuk sing tahu magrong ni bro. Sing tahu magrong ni bro.
Sing magrong ni bro baru. Ada serangsang mana rangsang.
Ketipuan itu ya Amira manusia pernah nitila harus lah. Bang gila apinasa. Ni hawa cua. Ni hawa cua.
Yung Doraemon nih. Iya.
Ini. Cara lah isi tengah suka. Yang banyak sih.
Ada.
Gulmal nih bro.
Oi. Ini kan yang selagi.
Gulmal.
Okay.
Hai si KTM.
Hai guys, ini KTM mah.
Bye. Kok pelajar keren.
Không có gì ra. Đi. Saya.